Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to stream movies on Discord without black screen. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So you might be trying to stream movies on Discord but keep running into the black screen issue. Don't worry, this is actually a pretty common problem, and there's a simple fix. First, open Discord on your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, go into your server and then navigate to any voice channel where you plan to stream. After that, open your Discord user settings. Scroll down to Voice and Video, and then select Video from the top. Here, under Streaming section, look for Hardware Acceleration. If this feature is turned on, make sure to turn it off. Not everyone will see this option, but if you do, disabling it is key to solving the black screen problem. Next, you'll need to check your browser settings. Click the three dots in the upper right corner in Edge, Chrome, Brave, or any browser you're using, then go into Settings. In the search bar, type Graphics Acceleration or Hardware Acceleration. If it's turned on, turn it off. Both Discord's hardware acceleration and your browser's acceleration need to be disabled for this to work properly. Finally, once both are turned off, restart your browser completely. Open Discord again and start your stream. Now, you should be able to stream movies without encountering the black screen issue. And that's it. So that's basically how you can stream movies on Discord without black screen. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.